If you're experiencing issues with the graphics settings in League of Legends, this guide will help you troubleshoot and fix them effectively. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings. Step 1. Access the game client. Open League of Legends and log into your account. Once you're in the client, click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner to access the settings menu. Step 2. Navigate to the graphics settings. In the settings menu, find the video tab. This section contains all the graphics settings for the game, including resolution, quality, and frame rate options. Step 3. Adjust graphics quality. Review the graphics quality settings. You can choose from options like low, medium, high, or custom. Start by setting it to a low quality if you're experiencing performance issues, and then gradually increase it to find the best balance between visuals and performance. Step 4. Change resolution. Check the resolution settings. Ensure that the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual experience. If you're still facing issues, try lowering the resolution temporarily to see if it improves performance. Step 5. Save and restart. After making your adjustments, click Apply to save the changes. It is a good idea to restart the game to ensure that all settings take effect properly. Launch the game again and check if the graphics issues have been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any graphics settings issues in League of Legends. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.